In this video, I will show you how to join the Adopt Me Discord server. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop. Now I've got the Discord app opened, but if you do use the web-based version of Discord, then just follow along as the steps are the same. So what you want to do first, once you've got to Discord, is you want to come to the left-hand side on your server list, and if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see this plus button down here which says to add a server. So just go ahead and give that a click. Next, what you're going to want to do, you're going to get to a window like this, and if you look down at the bottom, it says have an invite already, and then a button underneath to join a server. So just go ahead and click the button. And then in the invite link box, what you want to do is put the following, which is discord.gg / and then adopt me. Like so. And once you've done that, just go and click the join server button down here. So what it's going to do, it's going to take you directly to the official server for the Adopt Me, and what you're going to want to do is basically read through the welcome channel, as you can see here, read the server rules and then verify your account so that you can go ahead and use all the features of the server. So to do this, what you want to do is just click onto the second one which says read the server rules, and what you want to do is just follow through and just basically read all these rules. And once you've done that, if you look at the bottom, it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So what you want to do is click the blue complete button down here. So to verify your account, what you're going to do is verify your phone number first. So you can just pop your phone number in here, and basically you want to click the blue verify button. Then go ahead and select your country code. And then just enter your phone number into the box here. Of course, for security reasons, I've blurred mine out, but once you've done that, go ahead and click send. And then what's going to happen, it's going to come up with another verification. So just tick the box to say that you're human, and then click if you've got your firewall on, you just want to click to allow access. What should happen next is you should actually receive a 6-digit code, which will be sent to the phone number that you verify. So make sure you do put the correct number in, and then just go ahead and enter the code into here. Once that's done, just go ahead and enter your password. And once you've done that, it's going to take you back to this screen where it says that your phone number should now be verified. Once that's done, just scroll down and read through these rules here, and then tick the box to agree to the rules and click the green submit button down here. So the final step before you can start posting and access all the features of the server is you want to come to the channels on the left hand side and you want to click onto verification. So this actually uses Rover. Now, if you've not got Rover set up, check out my channel because I do have a tutorial on how to get Rover set up for verification. But once you've gone ahead and set it up, all you need to do is simply click the update my roles button down here. And because I've got Rover set up, you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to instantly verify my account and unlock all the channels. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to drop down below the video, leave a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.